Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change email on Nintendo Switch account. Alright, let's begin. First, open your internet browser and go to accounts.nintendo.com. Log in to your Nintendo account and you will be taken to the account screen. From here, navigate to User Info and select Email Address. Next, Nintendo will send a verification code to your registered email. Check your email for the code, then enter it on the screen and press Submit. This step ensures that you are the account owner and secures your account. Once verified, the next screen will prompt you to enter your new email address. Type in the email you want to use and press Submit. Your Nintendo account email is now successfully updated. Remember, changing your email keeps your account secure and ensures you can receive notifications from Nintendo. So that's basically how you can change email on Nintendo Switch account. That's it for this video. Thanks.